with FastCap, I want to show you the coolest new Kaizen foam product. This is the Kaizen Knife Thin. Kaizen Knife Thin is designed specifically for cutting all your tight contours with absolutely no struggle. It incorporates our Kaizen blade thin in a special housing that's designed specifically for using this blade. We've had this blade available before for our Kaizen knife, but the Kaizen knife comes with a fairly thin blade, but for tight corners, you end up doing some sawing motion and getting not a perfect cut. And you've been able to use the Kaizen blade thin in the Kaizen knife before, but you could only use it if it was fully extended. With the blade fully extended, you ran into a couple issues. One, the blade was thin, so it would deflect easily. This led to not perfectly straight sidewalls. And B, it was very difficult to get exactly the right depth of cut so that you could tear out exactly the right depth for the thickness of whatever tool you were using. With the Kaizen Knife Thin, it eliminates any of that struggle and makes it super easy to get perfect cuts in your foam every time. You just extend the blade to the length of the width of your tool so it matches up, follow your contour that you traced out, tear it out, and you're good to go. Whether you're new to Kaizen foam or you've been using it for a long time, definitely got to get a Kaizen Knife Thin. You're absolutely going to love this product, guarantee it. If you're just getting into Kaizen foam too, make sure you check out the rest of our suite of tools for Kaizen foam. There's the tri-blade and the tri-blade sled. This will help you get perfectly straight sidewalls so your foam fits perfectly in your drawers. Also check out the Kaizen hot knife. Kaizen hot knife is great for finishing the bottom of your cuts, getting a really perfect smooth finish underneath where you tear them out. And of course the long nose marker, available in 3 colors, black, silver, and gold, as well as the Kaizen knife and our Kaizen blade thin 10-piece replacement packs. Kaizen foam makes your life so much more organized, so much more clean.